What is your name?
My name is Geervan.
Which class are you studying in?
UKG.
What is your school name?
Wonder Cheese.
Tell any one story in English. One say fox. Say.
Once a fox is very hungry. He sought for food. A class. He saw a bunch of grapes and him from grape. Wow, those grapes are probably
look delicious. And I am so
hungry. So he jumped and not each grapes ever too high.
So fox got hungry.
Fox was hungry. It went away. Those grapes are probably very so good and couldn't eat them.
Okay, good boy. Tell any two rhymes in English. Johnny, yes, Papa say. Start.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling nice, no, Papa. Open a mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Another rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle. Say.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Half a wonder, 1 to R. Up wonder, 1 to R. Diamond, in the
like
sky.
Like a diamond in the sky. Okay. We are going to English. You say to alphabets. Words. What is the spelling of apple?
A-P-P-L-E, apple.
What is the spelling of cat?
C.
That only. Say. What is the spelling of cat?
C-A-T.
What is that? Cat. Okay. What is the spelling of egg?
E-G-G, egg.
What is the spelling of gun?
G-U-N, gun.
Okay. What is the spelling of jam? Say, what is that one? Jam spelling, say. Say.
J-A-M, jam.
Okay. What is the spelling of pen?
P-E-N, pen.
Okay. What is the spelling of zebra? Say.
Z-D-T-R-A, zebra.
Okay, good boy. We are going to EVS, okay? What is this picture?
Carrot.
This one?
Brinjal.
This one? Tomato.
Tomato.
This one?
Prairie springer.
This one? This one?
Potato.
This one?
Onion.
Okay, good boy. You know our vegetables. Okay. We are going to Hindi. What is this picture? A se?
Anar.
A se?
Ham.
E se? Say.
Ali.
A se? I se?
Nak.
Okay. Kha se? Kha se?
Doj.
Gha se? Okay. We are going to Telugu. అంటే అంటే అమ్మా.
Amma.
ఆ అంటే
Amma.
ఈ అంటే ఊ అంటే
Ta.
ఏ అంటే ఏ అంటే what is the picture here? This picture what? You don't know? You don't know this picture. What is this picture? You say English.
Yenugu.
Ha అంటే
Papa.
చ అంటే
Mu.
జ అంటే
Jara.
okay, good boy. Okay, completed. We are doing additions. You do. 8 plus 1 how much? You take 8 one finger. 8 after number?
9.
You write here 9. 8 plus 1 how much?
9.
8 plus 1?
9.
Okay, good boy. 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4? You take 4 fingers. 4 after number?
8.
4 plus 4?
8.
4 plus 4?
8.
Okay. 2 plus 2?
4.
You write 4. 2 plus 2?
4.
Okay, good boy. You write Hindi ka letter, right? Okay, cha. Tha. Na. Right? You write right first. Right, yeah. Pa se patang na. That one, pa letter, right? Good boy. Show me that letters. Okay. Here write Telugu ka letter. Telugu. Okay. Ga. Ga. Okay. Ja. Ta. Ta letter. Good boy. Okay. You say any two slokas in Sanskrit. Asatoma Sargamesi. You know na? Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu? You don't know? Raghupati Raghava? Okay. Rhyming words. Sit spelling? Sit. S.
Yes.
S-I-T? Can sit properly. Say sit spelling. S-I-T?
Sit.
Next, kit spelling.
K-I-T kit.
Kit?
P-I-T pit.
Okay, van spelling.
V-A-N van.